for saying his name repeatedly after being told not to,
Right.
after knowing for days now that that's something that he
Which
didn't want to happen.
Well, not for days. We already went over why I had no reason to think that was applicable to Tom's. Right?
Okay, well, that was your weird assumption then.
So if the reason for the ban is that, those people should be banned by the same token. Now, what's the reason they're not going to be banned?
They're not going to be banned because I was only made aware of this desire of yours. Me. I was only made aware of this desire of yours just now.
Right? You know, when you banned me, you deleted every single text message I posted, right?
I don't know. No, yeah. It's just the last 24 hours.
Yeah. I joined like an hour ago. So any request that I made to them is now gone. There's no way. You understand? Let me just ask you, like, point blank. You don't think it's weird that I make a request for them to not do that, they fail to comply, and then you ban me, presumably because you perceived what I did to be doxing, because Alex said don't do that, whatever. And yet when I invoke the fact that they did the exact same fucking thing, coincidentally all the evidence of me requesting that from them is gone now, just obliterated.
That is coincidental because I wasn't even thinking about that at the time.
Well, the charitable interpretation is that you fucked up, right? The non-charitable interpretation is that you're being protective of people you like.
I'm not being protective.
Wait, but did they post a picture after you say you didn't want to too?
Yes.
I deleted it immediately.
But how is that any different than Pogan writing it?
It's literally the same situation. That's the point.
I told them at the moment, because they thought that it was fine, haha, we're doing all these things, and they thought that I was cool with it too. When I said I'm not fucking cool with it, I'm not fucking cool with this at all, they stopped, okay? And I made it known that if it happens one more time, it's going to be fucking...
Look, I'll just repeat what
It didn't happen after that.
Yeah, I get it. I'll just repeat what I said.
You didn't get that warning.
Charitably,
okay? That's the difference.
Yeah. Charitably, you just fucked up, right? Non-charitably, you're protecting people that you perceive to be better for the server.
You didn't get that warning. If you want to be unbanned, I will take that as my fuck-up penance and unban you. But you could take this banning as a warning if you would like.
Oh, Pogan got banned? That's funny. What happened?
Yeah. Because I called Alex by his full name.
After they posted pictures of, well, I don't know after, but they posted pictures of him after he said not to post pictures.
Like, let's get away from this ban talk, right, just for a moment here. I just want to ask you, like, just give me your honest opinion. You're not in Tom's, you're in like, quote-unquote, foreign lands, right? Just answer this question honestly. What's your perception of a guy that for the longest time uses his full name on Discord, never objects to anybody doing it, and then when people call him by that name, lacking the information, right, that would suggest he's not okay with it anymore, he threatens to shoot and kill them? Keep in mind, this is a guy in possession of multiple firearms, he has military experience, it's not unreasonable to think... Yeah, Alex.
Oh, no, I wouldn't take it seriously, I just think he was...
I mean, it's ridiculous. It's a ridiculous thing to say.
Triggered, but...
What is?
He just got triggered. He did the same thing with like multiple people the other day. It's just that he can't handle somebody saying something that he doesn't like, so he just says.
Well, we don't even need to talk about whether or not it's credible, right? Merely saying something like.
No, I think it's cringe at least. Crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's definitely not good. Right?
He's an insane person. That's the point. How to be triggered online to the point that you, as like a veteran in possession of multiple firearms, you think it's necessary to like say something along the lines of "I'm going to put a fucking bullet between your eyes." So, that's a fucking crazy person.
Do you think that Sam is a crazy person? He like said he was going to like snap somebody's neck or something the other night.
Yes, okay, absolutely.
Right. Okay.
Sam's insane by his own admission.
Okie doke. Then maybe Alex would claim the same thing then, by his own admission.
Yes, this is true.
I don't think this is insanity. I don't think any of these people are insane. They're
of course not.
Doing the tough guy.
I'm using it very high. I don't literally. I'm not. Obviously, I'm not using it as some clinical application. When I say insane, I mean like your average rational person would not be like triggered to the point they threaten to kill somebody on the internet, right? That's the point.
The thing that I don't get about the Alex thing is that. I mean, at least I've seen him in chat say that it looked like Pogan shouldn't complain about his pictures being posted because he posted them before, but then he like gets mad about
Yes.
That's
people using
completely
the last name
hypocritical.
stuff. Right, it's
I will
crazy. It's
totally
absolutely
agree
insane.
that it's hypocritical, and there's not going to be like two ways about it. Okay, it's all going to be the same as far as I'm concerned. If someone says don't do this, it's mine, my face, my name. That's what's going to happen.
Well,
That's what's going to happen.
Well, I object to any characterization of myself that isn't referring to me as Large Dick Sam.